Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to use Binance Exchange. I will make it a beginner-friendly video, going step by step from how to sign up for an account with Binance, how to secure your account properly on Binance, and very detailed overview of what you can do with Binance. I will leave the link to the sign-up page for Binance in the description below. You can use the link so that you can follow along. Before we go into the video, please support my channel by giving this video a like, click the subscription button and also turn on notifications so that you get notified when a new video like this pops up. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Once you click the link in the description below, it will take you to this Binance home page. This is the official home page of Binance Exchange. As you can see, it's showing us some crypto prices here, and if you scroll down to the downside again, we have this option to download the app from this section. It is compatible with any device, Android, iPhone, tablet, and so many of them. For this video, we are going to use the browser version, so scroll back to the top of the page and click on register and it will take you to the registration page. Once you get here, put in your email address and select your preferred password and click on Create Account. Or you can also sign up with your phone number. I already have an account, so I am not going to go through this process again. But once you are done with registration, it will redirect you to this page. Next, we need to set up our security settings to make sure that our account is saved and secure. To do that, hover over the head icon on top right corner here and select Security. This will take you to your security and settings pages. There are three types of security layers which I will recommend you to set up. First is Google Authenticator. As you can see, I have mine on. It is a separate application that you can download. You can go to App Store for iPhones or you can go to Play Store if you are using Android to download the app. It adds an extra layer of security into your account and it's very important you use it. The next one is phone number verification, where they will send you notifications of any activities on your account directly into your phone number. And the last is email address verification. It works similar to phone number verification, whereby you receive a message or notifications on your Gmail account for every activities in your account. You can go ahead and turn all of them on to improve the security state of your Binance account. After setting up your security, hover over the head icon again and click on Dashboard. Here you see the amount of crypto that you have. You can also deposit and withdraw from here. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the last activities on your account, the last login time and the device that logged into your account, and down here again we have open orders. If you have any open positions or order that is not filled, it will show up here. Next step is, we're going to go into the simplest ways to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. Click on this button on top left corner that says Buy Crypto. As you can see, there are several options to choose from. Firstly, we have the first option which says Pay With. You'll see a currency symbol on that. Once you've clicked on that, it will show you a drop down of all the different fiat currencies you can deposit. There are literally dozens of different currencies to choose from. Binance offers the greatest selection of currencies with which you can buy crypto as far as I know. What's really cool with Binance is that some of these deposit methods are zero fee. You may find out that your local currency is not listed, so you will need to buy with credit or debit card, and you can also buy with Binance P2P. Binance P2P is a kind of another complicated method, so there will be a separate video for that. The method I normally use is the credit or debit card option, so we're going to come right here to credit or debit card. We can come in and essentially tell them the amount of coin we want to buy, and we can also select the coin we want, but for this video we are buying Bitcoin. Just give them your card details and you are done. So that is basically all there is to it, if you want to deposit fiat or buy crypto with credit card on Binance. But what if you have some crypto already and want to transfer into Binance? Well, let's get into that right now. To deposit crypto on Binance, you'll want to hover over the wallet button at the top right of the screen. This will expand the drop-down and you'll see something called Fiat and Spot. Click on that. You'll then be taken to the screen over here. Next you want to click that deposit button. You will then see a deposit page to select the coin you want to deposit. As you can see, I select Bitcoin. Select the network type, then just use that address to send your Bitcoin to Binance. However, if you have another coin you want to deposit instead, you can just click that Bitcoin button to expand a drop-down and search for the crypto you want to deposit on Binance. Here, I've just searched for Solana, and click the coin. Then I've generated a Solana coin deposit address to use to transfer that Solana over to Binance to trade. So just go to wherever you have those cryptocurrency stored, then you can scan the QR code right here, or you can copy the address. Now this is the address of your Binance account, so if somebody else or yourself in another account has Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that is accepted with Binance, then you will have to put the address on that service or app, so you can either scan or copy the address right here. Cryptocurrency transactions are non-refundable, so it's extremely important that you get the correct information. And all of that information is here for you to literally copy and paste into the other platform. Now there are fees to transfer cryptos between services, and this is an industry standard thing. It's very small. They are usually called gas fees. So just be aware of that. Withdrawing is a very similar thing, so if I just click on withdraw, you can see, just select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, put the address you are withdrawing to, and select the network type of the address, and you are good to go. And when it comes to fiat currencies, you can obviously withdraw US dollars or pound sterling, whatever you have in their withdrawal info. Again, that is just your personal information, or your history will be here for you. Next step is to start trading coins on Binance. So let's see how it's done. Okay, so there are several ways to trade on Binance. Let's start by looking at the easiest way. Firstly, click Trade from the top menu bar and select Convert from the drop-down. You'll then be taken to this screen. Here you can select the cryptos you want to convert and select the amount you want to swap. So here I might want to swap 1 BTC to USDT. You just enter that in and click Preview Conversion. You'll see a quoted price, and you have a few seconds to accept that price. Once done, your trade is complete. It's literally as easy as that. The downside to this method is that there are only a limited number of trading pairs, and it only supports market orders, which means you have to take the current market price. Personally, I prefer more options. And you can get that in the classic trading panel. You can hover over there by selecting Trade from the top navigation bar and choosing Classic from the drop-down. You'll then see a trading screen like this. I know it might be confusing, but take a step back, don't panic. I promise you it's not as complicated as it might first appear. The advantage in this type of trading interface is that it can allow you to place more advanced order types, which can end up saving you a lot more money and save you a load of time into the bargain. To explain what's going on with this trading interface, we should look at it in sections. To the left you have the order book. All these red numbers at the top are orders of people that want to sell a particular cryptocurrency, and all the green ones are orders of people that want to buy. All those orders are made at different prices. The left-hand column in the order book is the price that people have placed buy or sell orders. At the middle column is the amount of crypto available at certain price points. And finally, we have the right-hand column in the order book, which displays the dollar value available at different price points. In the center of the screen, you can see a price graph. You can filter that according to different time periods. Also, you can click the little blue tab to bring up charting tools. This is for all of you who would like to perform technical analysis. Anyway, on the top right of the trading panel, you have all the different trading pairs available on Binance. You can use that search function to find the cryptocurrency you're looking to trade. I've searched for the Solana ticker, SOL, and you can see all the different trading pairs come up. Now you've probably been wondering why I searched SOL when searching for Solana. Well, if I type SOL owner in, nothing comes up. The reason why is that trading pairs use abbreviated versions of the cryptocurrencies called tickers. This is usually a combination of 3 or 4 letters. If you want to find the ticker for the crypto you want to get, go to coinmarketcap.com and search for the crypto that you're interested in. The ticker will display to the right of the cryptocurrency's name. You can use that method to find the ticker for any crypto. Now, let's get back to that trading panel. At the bottom right corner, you have market trades. This just shows the most recent trades that have been executed. And finally, down here you have the section of the trading panel where all the trade happens, and where you place those all-important orders. By default, this order menu will be set to limit orders. Limit orders are the type of orders in which you choose the price you want to buy or sell. The best way of explaining what these are is to use an example. So let's say I don't like the current Bitcoin price, but I have made my analysis which I think the price may come back to $40,000 and I am happy to buy at $40,000. I can actually place that order on Binance by typing in that $40,000 price point and choosing the amount of Bitcoin I want to buy. If I do that, and place that limit order by smashing the Buy Bitcoin button, that order will then be added to the order book. If I'm asleep and the BTC price plunges to $40,000 on Binance, then this limit order should automatically trigger and I'll get my Bitcoin at this lower price. Limit orders work exactly the same on the sell side. I might put a limit order in for 1 Bitcoin if the price reaches $60,000. That order will just sit there and do nothing until the price point is hit. Now note that you can cancel this orders at any time. You can also set the order to be live for only a certain period of time. But that's a topic for another video. Market orders are the simplest types of orders. You're simply entering an amount you want to buy and taking the current market price. There is a lot more I want to share with you in this video. By now you should know the basics on how to buy and sell crypto using market and limit orders. Now, next thing I want to come to look up to is called Binance Earn. If you do hold cryptocurrencies with Binance or other platforms, there are other features like earning interest on your cryptocurrency. So if we come to Binance Earn, this is what's sometimes called staking. So just like any other currency that you have, if you lend it to people or give it to the bank, they should actually give you an interest rate for you having that currency on account. I'm not going to go over staking in too much detail, but you can think of it more or less as having money on an account and earning an interest for it being there. There are different types of staking and terms that you can use with Binance Earn. There are flexible terms and fixed terms. Now each cryptocurrency and each way of saving has different types of investments. You can see them all here. If you put some cryptocurrencies on your account, for example, over a fixed term for 30 days or 60 days, you can earn an estimated APY on income from the currencies that you actually have on account. There are different types of staking available. The high-risk products carry a higher percentage return, and the very low-risk products have a lower percentage return, but obviously less risk. As you can see right here, if you therefore have some Bitcoin on account, you can transfer them into the savings period and actually stake those coins. Now, there are different coins as you can see that have different rates, but you can see a lot of options for staking coins that may actually produce a return for you for your cryptocurrency holdings. You can choose all the terms here. So if you come down to locked savings, for example, and we have some different periods here, so if you want to put money on account for 90 days, then the interest per lot as you can see right here, so I'm not going to go over it in too much more detail than that, just to say that staking and earning interest from cryptocurrencies is available right here. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the sign up link to the correct sign up page for Binance in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a like.